Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
Nuestra puntería casi nunca falla. Nuestra puntería casi nunca falla.
Got instrumentals.
Dolly on the track.
Got instrumentals.
Dolly on the track.
daughter today. We here in beautiful DeLand, Florida, my city, my place. Beautiful day today at a golly, I'm finna fuck this up. I know it is. I know I am. The auto sound. Hold on a minute. I ain't gonna screw up the man's show. But it's being held by my boy Devin the Dude. Let me see if he up here real quick so I get a name for y'all. That's what the name of the show is. Hold on, here go a couple of funny looking guys right here. Maybe they can help me.
What's up, player?
Hey, what's up, man? What's the name of the show, man?
Whatever you want it to be.
Oh, whatever I want it to be? Y'all know? Thing about it, this dude right here, him right there, he say he's a judge, but he don't even know the name of the show. What kind of shit is that?
Got y'all, bro. It's just a showdown.
Auto, what is that? I can't read that. What is it?
Auto Sound Showdown.
Auto Sound Showdown. The Auto Sound Showdown here in beautiful DeLand, being held at OB's restaurant. Pretty cool restaurant. They got chicken wings, all kind of stuff, all kind of good food. But yeah, man. Normally I think it's a biker hangout, but yeah, we're at OB's in DeLand, Florida. Like I say, my city, man. Beautiful day here, and yeah, that's where we at, baby. OB's at the damn, he just told me the name of it. Let's refer back to the previous name. But yeah, I'm at that show right there. So a lot of cool cars out here, a lot of bass out here, as y'all can see. But I just did a little walk around, and I'm finna sit down because it's hot out here. It's powerfully hot out here. So I'm gonna take a seat real quick and take me a little break, and I'll get back with y'all in a few. So I'll see y'all on the footage side, baby. But right now I'm going. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace. What up, fellas? How y'all doing? Yeah. See that?
Holy shit! I said the same thing. You told me in here and I said somebody. Oh my god! Goddamn pension's blow away here. What? Holy shit. Got a little bit. What? The world's not ready. The world's not ready for the bitty bitty. Oh my god.
This is where I threw 2 shows here before, not bar shows. I threw a rock show here. And then eating up like the electronic dance music stuff. I had like DJs for the rock show. But keeping it clean.
instrumentals.
Danny on the track.
Let y'all see what we got out here, man. Pretty much a sound off, so it's like a bunch of
Danny on the
Probably a whole lot of copyright going on, but I'll figure it out.
Balls in
Nuestra puntería casi nunca falla.
Yep, something's gonna happen. You finna do something. He finna do something. Finna do something. She brave as hell. There ain't no way I'm sitting in that bitch. No way. Yeah, she brave.
Oh yeah, because if not, you going.
Yeah, ain't no way. No way I'm sitting there.
That bitch was hidden.
No way. But yeah, man, we out here at the audio sound get down or something like that, man. It's something like that. But we out here at OB's, man, getting it in. Hot sunny day in DeLand, Florida. It's hot, but hey, I'm out here, baby, doing our thing. Like I say, this ain't the norm that we do, but hey, what other way to spend a Sunday, man? And you know, around cars and good food up here at OB's. Chicken wings, hamburgers, whatever you like, they got it for you. Yeah. The Lolos and pulled up. Limelight Car Club. Shout out to Limelight though. They're in the house. So, but yeah, man, I'm just wandering around with the camera, dog. That's all. Getting footage, man. Footage for my fam. Footage for the ROS fam, baby. That's what it is. Stereo. Everybody stereo shit everywhere, man. What it is. Yeah. Loud. Loud. DeLand is definitely loud today. Couple motorbikes. Couple cool little motorbikes. Sale. It is for sale. Say holler at Tim the Tent Man. See what he talking about. I don't know what he want for it, but I'm sure whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's worth it. But yeah, give him a holler on IG at Tim the Tent Man, at Tim the Tent Man, and yeah, talk about some prices if you're interested. But I believe everything is as is, and this is what you'll be getting. This is what you be getting. This is definitely the bang for your buck that you're gonna be getting. Equipped, ready to go. Everything in it. Chilling. I know y'all hot with all that shit on, right? Too hot out here for that, man. Yeah, there you go. Stormtroopers everywhere. But yeah, man, out here again. We at the
I got some chips, but they work.
sound competition out here in DeLand, Florida, man. Woo. It's like big speakers, big amps, all over the place. SBL testing right here. What they doing? I think this is where it's actually going down at, the SBL testing.
When they're in there, the only thing I know about his car is it smells like reefer. Awesome. He still feels good, though.
When I give a thumbs up, good thing to hurry up, just tell you I'm ready.
Roger, thank you. Well, I think it got hot.
Don't be complaining about the shit. Just take it away.
This is it.
I was gonna mic his car, but then I got high.
How y'all doing today? Here we go.
Hey, put your hand on the car and tell us if it's playing. Oh, shit.
I feel some vibration going on.
I see a Trump car, I gotta come look.
I don't know why. You got up for no reason. Did I say that out loud?
Yep, SPL judging going on right here.
All 659 watts, ladies and gentlemen. We got an average of a 138.2. I can't. 137.4.
I got it.
Dude, right?
So these boys working on like to mess with them too much. Let them sit back, let them do their job, and y'all pretty much figure out what's going on. SPL judging.
Don't worry about it.
This is where they doing this at. the SPL judging. So you can see it's pretty long, man. Yep. They're all the way back here. They used that level right there. They did something with that level. I don't know what they did.
So pick your poison. Let me check wall one scores real quick. So you should get the ball and you don't watch it.
Get an idea what's going on, man. SPL judging over there. Registration entrance up here. And a whole lot of damn copywriting going on. Oh yeah, we moving and grooving. Okay, so we get up in there so you can hear over this damn music.
Oh man, shout out to ridinoleskools, man, Mr. Tomorrow Jobs, man. Y'all fuck with him on his YouTube channel, ridinoleskools, man. But this is the Iceman, man. You know what I mean? 386, man. The Iceman. You know, follow me on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Check him out. All right, my boy.
All right.
Y'all heard what he say. Check him out on Instagram, man. Everything up here. Iceman. He mean Iceman. He got everything. And he, if you have any events, just hit him up on Instagram. He'll come out. There you go. All right, my boy.
Got instrumentals.
Zombie on the track.